For some people, it's I want to save the most money. For some people, it's my carbon footprint. With Doug and Maggie, it was we want to make sure that we can keep certain devices on when the grid fails that are important for their health.
I did a little bit of research with my bill, and for the year, our lowest bill of 2024 was a credit of $36.42 they owed me. Our highest bill was in September, reflecting, of course, August consumption. It was $171. Our total bill for the entire year of 2024 for this house was $663.72.
Nice.
And this house is around 4,000 square feet, and the ceilings are pretty tall.
So it's working.
Yes, it is saving money. It is saving the consumption of fossil fuels to propel my house. But more importantly, it's meeting the goal that Maggie and I had when we first met with you.
So this device, which is effectively just a transfer switch, is what I like to call the traffic cop of the system. So it is actually directing the solar input from the roof, the batteries, and the electric grid, which comes in on one of these big pipes here. And in the instances of where we have an electrical outage, say a thunderstorm, this device basically isolates itself from the grid so that all of these other inputs, solar and storage, can actually power dedicated loads that Doug and Maggie have asked to be energized all the time.
I use a CPAP machine at night. The battery lasts a day or two if you need it, for overnight. But I like to know that I'm going to have electricity when I need electricity in my home. And so Chad designed a system that met our needs to preserve food, preserve my CPAP, and preserve a pleasant environment in our bedroom area.
For them, it was, hey, why don't we think about putting in a mini split for your master bedroom? Create sort of a lifeboat where it's going to achieve the goals that they're looking for and also at the same time save the most money.
It doesn't pay to go with whatever's the cheapest. It pays to go with whatever's the best over the long term that serves your needs. And in this case, it's a perfect fit for Maggie and for me. This is a company that's committed to Tucson, to Southern Arizona, and committed to solar for the right reasons. Chad listened, the whole team at Net Zero designed, and then they installed a system which now after 3 years is doing exactly what we wanted it to do for us. And it also saves a lot of money. Hello, that's nice too.